Okay, for my chapter 7 Teach It video, I decided to do section 7.4c, number 11, which is this problem. It says approximate the number of years it would take for any amount of money to double if it were deposited at a 2% annual interest rate compounded annually. Explain your reasoning. So 2% interest means that 2% of the money, of what the money is that's in there, is made, and compounded annually means that you get it every year. I also know that to double your money, that would be like 100%. So to figure this out, I would realize that I need to get to 100% of my money, and I'm only going at 2% at a time, which makes it easier for me to conceptualize. So then I think, well, 100 divided by 2, because it's only going up at 2%, would take 50 years. So then, just to double check my work, let's say I pick a number, I'll just use a scratch piece of paper, like 5,000. Okay, so my money is 5,000, and it's compounding 2% interest every year. So then I would take 5,000 times 0.02, which is the decimal that represents 2%. And if you take a 0.02 times 100, you'll get 2%. Okay, that ends up being, if I type it into my calculator, which I can do, 5,000 times 0.02 equals $100. Okay, to get 100% worth of my money, or to double it, that's $10,000. Doubling my 5,000 to 10,000. Okay, now to get to 10,000 from getting $100 additionally each year takes me 50 years. So then I can check it, times this by 50, and then I get 5,000, which is what you'd add to my original 5,000, and then I would have $10,000, which would be double my money. So there you go.